Anthropic has disabled Claude Fable 5 and Claude Mythos 5 access to all customers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Anthropic launched Claude Mythos 5 and Claude Fable 5. Both models stemmed from Claude Mythos Preview, a highly advanced model intended for security research and finding security bugs and flaws. Access to Mythos Preview was initially limited to a small group of companies through Project Glasswing, but when Anthropic unveiled Claude Mythos 5 and Claude Fable 5, the company said the Mythos family would remain restricted to Project Glasswing participants, while Fable would be made publicly available. Now, Axios reported that Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick had sent a letter to Anthropic CEO Daria Amodei saying that the Mythos 5 and Fable 5 models can export controls to any location outside of the US and to all foreign persons within the country. Axios said that the Trump administration had previously tried to stop Anthropic from releasing the model, but failed. The report noted that under the Export Control Directive, a license would be required for the export, re-export, or domestic transfer of Anthropic's models. And that's why Anthropic announced that it's decided to disable Claude Mythos 5 and Claude Fable 5 for all customers, but ensured that access to all other models will remain unaffected. The company also listed the safeguards it took when it released Fable 5 and added that while it intends to share more information over the next 24 hours, the government's directive is based on a narrow jailbreak involving capabilities that are already available in other models like OpenAI's GPT 5.5. Finally, Anthropic apologized for the disruption to customers and said the government's action is based on a misunderstanding and promised to restore access as soon as possible. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.